Well, hello everybody, this is Keith Jackson speaking. It's my first attempt at an orchid video, a repotting video in this particular case. I've been inspired by the likes of Roger, Ed, Miss Orchid Girl and Margaret East to have a go. And this is an orchid that I picked up earlier on today in the discards aisle of a local garden centre. There were a number there, mostly they were phalaenopsis of course. There was one or two that were oncidium types that had no name, one that had got the remains of a flower, a bit like a Miltonia. But this one is Dendrobium Sa-Nook Polar Fire. It's just got one last flower surviving to show what a pretty little thing it is, although this image, I must say, is rather pale compared to the plant itself. Now the problem is that when I got it home, or when I picked it up off the rack, the first thing I noticed was, although the cane is in lovely condition, the main cane that it's flowered from, and these looking quite good, you can see from the state of the pot that it's been all out of everywhere. But the roots aren't too bad, I'm glad to say, and there is just an odd sign just in there. Sorry. Just in there, look, that we've got some new roots. So I'm going to try and get rid, for a start, of that plug that's up the middle. It doesn't actually seem to have killed off too many roots from here. And then I'll put it back on the tripod and we'll have a go. Okay, now let's see what we can wangle with this lot. As I say, it doesn't, rather amazingly, look too bad. So the first thing I'll do is I'll get rid of the stick. Unfortunately, well, that's why the stems had it, so unfortunately that's got to come off despite, so that's why that flower's gone. Pity about that. Never mind. We'll lose the stick. And now we can have a look, try and start to make a bit of sense of this lot. Oh, there's a plastic pot. Oh glory. Okay, oh no it isn't. Oh lovely. Oh great. Oh marvellous. It's blooming coconut. Chunks of coconut. Oh delish. Oh, it's no wonder that they roots actually look quite good in it. They do like it, I believe, but oh dearie me. Well, it's not doing too bad, it's coming off fairly well, I think. And oh, we've got some nice new roots. Oh, look at that for a beauty. Look at that one for a little beauty just there. Bright white, that's lovely. I'll have that one any day of the week. But I think this is going to take me a little while, so I'll knock it off and I'll come back when I've cleaned it up. Okay then, so back again. Hopefully you can see the roots on here, and I've been absolutely astonished as to how good the roots are. You know, very, very little. I lost a few trying to take that stuff out of the middle, but actually I'm really pleased, and there's some nice little branches on there which bode well for the future. But when you look at the amount of compost in the bottom of that, it's been quite badly over potted, I'd say. So the roots never got the chance to get really deeply embedded into that. So now the question is, have I got a slightly smaller pot to put it in so that it's potted up a bit more tightly, as a lot of these like to be. Right, I found a smaller pot, one size down, which should be a lot better. It's going to need a stick, I think, because it's so big, and I'm going to use a potting mix, which I got from a fellow member of the East Midlands Orchid Society, and it's 80% medium-sized orchiata, 20% coconut fibre, 10% hydrolica, and it's pH balanced. So got the little girl. Okay, I'll have to move the stick a little bit. That's what they say, isn't it? When you've got it potted right, you can pick it up and bring the pot with you. So that is Sa-Nook Polar Fire. It's the first one I've filmed as a repot. I'm quite chuffed with that. I think we'll, hopefully, with a root system like that, give her a good drink, and we'll be on the way with that before very much longer. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Any comments and criticisms will be very welcome.